Hey there, young artist. Teachers' Day is just around the corner, and it's time to show your amazing teachers how much they mean to you with a beautiful card. In this video, we have gathered 60 awesome card making ideas that are super fun and easy to create. Whether you are in kindergarten or high school, there is something special here for everyone. From colorful cards to creative pop-up designs, you will find tons of inspiration to make the perfect card. Imagine the smile on your teacher's face when they receive a card made with love by you. So grab your markers, scissors and glue and let's dive into these exciting ideas together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this creative journey. Let's make this Teacher's Day unforgettable with cards that come straight from the heart. Ready, set, craft. Wishing all the teachers out there a very happy Teacher's Day. Don't forget to subscribe.